Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Abby, and if you are new, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you. As you've noticed by my past couple of videos, your girl straightened her hair. I enjoyed the time my hair was straightened, but the time has come now for me to go back to my natural hair state. Go back to the kinky curly. Honestly, I'm low-key nervous. No, I shouldn't say low-key. I'm high-key nervous to see if I have any heat damage. Like after I got it done at the salon, I kind of went over it at least two or three more times in the past 2 weeks. So I'm really nervous that there might be some parts that have heat damage. I'm praying not. I'm going to be using some water to see if it's going to revert back and whatnot. If I don't, then I'll go in with my aloe vera. And if it's like really heat damage, we're gonna try some Afro G 1-2 step to try to revert my hair back. And if it don't, we're just gonna have to cut it. But let's hope we don't even have to do that, okay? So if you wanna see how I go from straight to curly, stay tuned. I'm gonna part my hair into 4 sections and then do a section. Why can't I say section? I'm gonna do a section at a time. But what I'm gonna do is after I spray my hair, I am going to just put it in like a time lapse so you guys can see how like it shrinks up with just water before I go in with the aloe vera. So I got my spray bottle with some warm water. We're just doing with water first to see how my hair goes back. I am really nervous right now, but let's see. Okay. So I'm drenching my hair. So I'm gonna put it into a time lapse and so that you guys can see how my hair goes back. So this is my hair shrunken up with just water. I'm kind of nervous about these ones. Like it didn't go back like it's supposed to, but yeah, this is my hair shrunken with just water. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the hair. Actually, before I do it, let's just compare my hair straightened. So this is my hair reverted back, and then this is it with it stretched, or basically straightened, a greasy straightened. Yeah, but that you could do with this or that. You could do with this or that. Okay, so I'm gonna twist this section away and then I'm gonna go in and do the other sides as well. So just slowly but surely get in there. So this side is twisted up, this side is reverted, because I am pressed for time, I'm gonna twist it up as well and then go to the last section. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go and put some aloe vera into my hair, let that sit for about like 20 minutes, and then wash it out and just see how it helps to, you know, kind of curl the hair back up, and then just go through my usual like wash day process and everything. This hasn't fully reverted back, but again, like I said, I'm pressed for time right now. So I'm just going to go in with my aloe vera treatment and let that sit for about 20 minutes or so, and then I will go in and wash my hair. I will come back after I shampoo and condition just so that you guys can see how my hair fully looks reverted back. And then also once my hair is styled, or like however I decide to style it, because I for the life of me, I don't know. And I gotta take professional pictures for work on Tuesday. So I don't know. We gonna find something. But yeah, I will be back to show you guys how the hair looks. This is just going great so far. So I will be back in a jiffy. Okay, so with the aloe vera in my hair now, like this is how it's looking. Like the curls are actually coming back through. Yeah, my hair is reverting back. So I really strongly, now I'm like 99% sure, once I wash my hair thoroughly and condition, my hair will go back to its natural state. So I am back. I washed my hair and I left it in sections because honestly it's just much easier to do it this way, and it's easier for me to style. Water keeps dripping down my face. I've settled on doing a wash and go, but I just wanted to show you guys what my hair is looking like. I feel like my ends are damaged a bit, or hopefully I can do some like Afro G 1-2 step and it'll come back. But I'm like really sad that now I've had like a setback. Sorry. Yeah, I'm really sad that now I've had a setback in my hair journey. But let me show you guys this side right here. If you see like reflective, it's water. It is not the conditioner or anything like that. But like you guys can tell right here, it's not really back like it wants to, but it's not fully back to where it wants to be. And it can contribute to so many things. It could be from the stylist, it could be from me, but in general, this part came back. This side of my hair, not so much. So this is the left side. This is originally, you know, the first section that I did where things wasn't going back. Turn the brightness up a bit. So as you guys can see, like right here, the ends are not really going back. And here as well, like it wants to go back to curly, but it really ain't. This side right here as well, doing the same thing. And then, where is it? You guys can see it right here. So there's like some sections, the ends of it, that's not really going back to the way it should be. So I am about to do a wash and go, like a real quick. You guys already know I have a video on my wash and go and how I do that. I will put the link up here and down below for you guys to see how I do my wash and go. But yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video for watching me go from straight to curly, even though my hair is not fully curly. But hey, We live and we learn. Don't forget to like this video. Liking my video helps the YouTube algorithm push my video out to more people. And don't forget to comment and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I upload. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.